गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आउट ऑफ फोकस हो गया भाई, आंखें आउट ऑफ फोकस हो रही हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। इट्स 5th of October और बहुत ठंड लग रही है। और बहुत तो नहीं, थोड़ी सी तो ठंड लग ही रही है भाई। द विंटर्स हैव कम, माय फेवरेट सीजन ऑफ ऑल द ईयर। विंटर्स हैव कम। इट्स वेरी प्रिटी ब्रो, वेरी प्रिटी outside. I won't show it to you guys. आप लोगों को देखना है तो खुद देहरादून आके देख लो. I think it's just I have learned this with time that as you go, as you grow, you start learning how to live in the moment. That's something that I think I never really paid much attention to, but nowadays I am giving it a lot of attention because there are certain times in the day when I'm not doing something, and I would just sit and listen, or sit and watch people in the balcony, and that's very therapeutic. But coming to the main topic at hand, tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow we'll all start going back to our daily routine. Weekend is going to get over, Sunday is going to get over. Everybody has that one thing that they always look forward to when weekend comes, and everybody starts detesting it when Monday comes, because then you have to go back to work, you have to go back to your school, your college, wherever you are. Have you guys ever thought that whatever you are doing, is it really making you happy? Like, whatever thing that you are working right now on, or are spending around 8 to 9 hours a day on your job, on your studies, whatever you are studying, is it really making you happy? Or are you too busy to understand that you are happy or not? That's a very important question that you guys should ask yourselves. I ask it a lot of times. I found this one sticker, and it's just one sticker that I kept, I pasted it on my laptop where I can always see it. And if you guys see that sticker, it's here. Time to check that you are still making yourself happy. I have put this sticker here because I just thought, when I saw this sticker, I just thought that makes sense. But think about it. Are you too busy to make sure that you are still making yourself happy? That's something that I constantly think about. Like, whenever I study, I'm happy when I'm studying. I like studying. I study whatever I'm learning. If I'm learning something new, it makes me happy. But other than that, I have a life, which many people think I don't. उसके अलावा भी लाइफ होती है, और वो है to read books which are fiction, non-fiction, fiction. I slander me all you want. I will always prefer fiction books over non-fiction, because the amount of things that I read other than fiction is all scientific. Your guys' head will blow off. Every student who concurs with me, send me a heart in the comment section, because we know when you're studying textbooks and all of that, that's all knowledge. I understand. Non-fiction, okay, I also read non-fiction. It's not like I'm against non-fiction, I'm like anti non-fiction or something. I am not. But if I want to incorporate a book into my leisure time, I would rather be that it's a fiction book, because my brain also needs a little bit, rest from thinking so much. When you're reading a fiction book, there's no thinking. I just start making imaginations, and that is something that is a kind of zone that I would want myself to go into, it's like a change of space for my brain as well. So that is something that makes me really happy. Eating food makes me really happy. I love food. I live to eat food. Yeah. I love food. Any kind of food. Indian food, Chinese food, Italian food, whatever food, I don't know. Whatever smells and tastes great is amazing to me. I will eat, I will gobble up anything. Coffee. Coffee makes me happy. Coffee makes me really happy. The aroma of coffee, the taste of coffee, that I don't know how. All of my friends except Mayurakshi, she is my buddy in this. I don't understand how this is bitter to people. This is not bitter. Maybe my taste buds are done for. That's why I am not able to understand what bitterness they are coming from. That's something that I think. These are some of the things that make me happy. And I think all of us should have that one or like a handful of things, 2 to 3 things that you always do to make sure that your happy meter is always up. Like you can't always cater to everybody else's need and your job's need and everything. If your job makes you happy and you are satisfied with it, great. You should be happy. I want everybody who's watching this video to be really, really, really happy and satisfied and content with their lives, with their jobs. When I started studying microbiology, I love biology, okay? I have always wanted to study biology. And I seriously remember in 5th grade when one of my class teachers, moral science teachers actually, he asked, you know how there's this one class where everybody's like, what would you want to be when you grow up? And then every student has to say something. What do you want to become when you grow up? And then 2-3 lines why. So all of us, all these students, they used to say doctor, engineer, la 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 la. 5th grade, I said I want to be a scientist. So I think I did a little subtle foreshadowing way before. Almost like a decade before that I wanted to be a scientist. ठीक है, बीच में I wanted to be a doctor, but now I'm going to be a doctor too because I'm doing my PhD. But yeah, I think when I study microbiology and I study anything related to science research, it makes me very happy because I am in awe of science. Like, I just love biology, I love science, I am just in awe of it because how is it that this entire body just works on its own? There's nothing, there's no battery, there's nothing, no sense of energy. It's making its own energy, it's spending its own energy. We are just putting food inside our mouth. It's just how? That entire amalgamy of molecules, atoms, all of that is just so brilliant, and that is something that gives me joy when I learn something about it, when I'm like, oh, when I get a logical answer to something, that's the kind of thing that gives me joy. So everybody has a different definition of their own joy, their own happiness, and I wish people would actually look forward to something rather than be, forced to do it. I just don't want people to be forced to do something that is giving them their earning or their livelihood. I wish everybody is happy with whatever they are doing, and just make sure that you find out whatever you are doing every day, is it giving you happiness? Are you really happy? If you are not, then if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you're very happy, because how can you not be happy by looking at this beautiful face, bro? How? ठीक है, मेकअप नहीं लगाया, इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि मैं सुंदर नहीं हूँ. By the way, this cup is given to me by Vidushi. He gave it to me on my birthday because it's cute AF. So pretty. And good thing is इसमें इतना सारा कॉफी आता है जिससे मैं तो भाई. Excuse my obsolete behavior. Stay happy, okay? क्योंकि कल से मंडे है, किसी को मैं सुनना नहीं चाहती कि भाई मंडे आ गया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be happy. मंडे आ गया, wow. Be happy. अब मिलेंगे हम कल, because tomorrow is Monday and I'll probably think of something else to talk about, जो मैंने अपने सपने में देखा हो कि कल बनाएंगे इस पे व्लॉग, और बना दूंगी मैं. चलो अब काम करना है और ये कॉफी भी खत्म करनी है मुझको. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Drink your coffee. Drink it with me. Nice. See you. Bye.